Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Bumiseti. In this video, we'll see how to create Azure SQL Database. We'll see the same thing in detail. One second, hold on. So this is portal.azure.com. So this is the way we need to log into portal.azure.com. Okay, so let me search for what I want to search for. I want to search for SQL database. Okay, when you search here, what happen? You get Azure SQL database. Click the first one. See, we can able to click create a new SQL database, or you can click here. So anywhere we can able to click. Okay. So for this purpose, what we want? So Azure subscription and the resource group. Okay. As of now, resource group is not there. Let me create a new resource group. So Praveen. Okay, ADF. So trainer -rg. So rg nothing but resource group naming standards I'm following. So Praveen area of trainer rg. Click OK. So now subscription is there, resource group is there. Next, what happen if I want to create database? We should have server name. Okay, let me create a new server. Okay, ADF SQL server. Okay, so this. So name should be unique. Okay, see. So I'm putting my name. So Praveen ADF SQL server. So this is good. Okay, see. Let me select the other region. Okay, US West 2. Now what happened now? I want to authenticate this database server. How do by using there are three options. I'm going for use SQL authentication. So username and a password. Okay, so let me give. So Praveen ADF user. Okay, so this is my username and the password. So Praveen ADF. So by this we are logging by using this username and the password. Okay, click OK. Save it. So now I need to give the database name. Let me scroll up. Okay, so database. So Praveen ADF database. So DB. So give the name. Okay. So database is there. Server name is available. So see. So go for development. Okay, and so far good. And what happened? So these are the steps we should follow. Then go for compute plus storage. So click the configure database. So see, let me scroll down. See, we're getting this, how much we are spending. So go here. So see, basic for less demanding workloads. Okay, see, I want to reduce the storage cost. Okay, that's why I'm going for service tier. So for less demanding workloads. Okay, 2 GB is available. Click apply. Now what happens? See, so development environment. Okay, so then we have given the compute and storage thing and click for the, okay, see, LRS. Okay, local redundancy, same thing. Next one is that what? So go for networking. So click here, public endpoint. Okay, so okay, go here, click yes. So follow what I'm saying. No, it's simple, just to follow blindly. Okay, that's it. Okay. Next one is that what? So go for next is security. So put as is, nothing to do. Okay. So next additional settings. So see, there are two things are there. So okay, see already this guy Azure guy is giving some sample database. We can use the sample database, or if we want to go for nothing, so we can create our new databases. Okay, see what happened. I'm using the sample database. Okay, see, let me click OK. So next to tags. Okay, nothing. Okay, so nothing. So review plus create. That is getting created. Okay, so you can show 2 GB storage is available. Okay, so let me create. So SQL database will be created successfully. It will validate and will be creating successfully. Okay, see, deployment is in progress. Once it is done, we can get the database will be created. Okay. Hold for 1 second. See, let me go. Okay, so let me go up. Okay, see, deployment is progress. Let me go here and we can able to get it done. See again search for, so go to the home button and again search for SQL database. Okay, see Azure SQL database will get this. Okay, database has been created successfully. So like this way you can able to get. See one more time I'll try to explain in detail. Okay, so search for SQL database. See Azure SQL database. Okay, so create. See what we want. So we want to have the subscription and if okay, see and what we required resource group is required. If resource group is not available, try to create a new one. Then what happen? You need to give the new database name. So if server is not available, try to create a new server. So see and select the development option. Okay, then go here and try to select the okay, whatever you want. Okay, see, so I'm going for basic. Okay, so basic one. So go here, apply, and what happened? Go to the local, okay, LRS. Okay, so networking, and this all things you can able to get it done. So like this, click next, next, like this, you need to get it. Okay, see, select the sample database. So it will be created. So like this way, you can able to create Azure SQL database. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.